Today we're excited to introduce the Naturehike 2-burner folding camping stove with Griddle, your perfect outdoor cooking solution. This portable camp gas stove boasts 16,000 BTU with 2 adjustable burners and piezo ignition, making it ideal for cooking a variety of foods like eggs, burgers, and vegetables while brewing coffee on the side burner. Designed for convenience, it features a folding structure for quick setup and easy maintenance, and its lightweight design folds into a small handbag, eliminating the need for extra frying pans. Built to last, the stove's burners are crafted from rust-resistant, heat-resistant 430 stainless steel, capable of supporting 11 pounds each, and are compatible with isobutane or mixed isobutane fuel canisters. The stepless adjustment feature allows you to control the burners separately, ensuring a stable cooking platform outdoors. With excellent customer service available 24/7, you can enjoy your camping adventures worry-free, knowing help is just a call away. So gear up and make your outdoor cooking experience seamless and enjoyable with the Naturehike 2-burner folding camping stove. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.